I think probably the most important way it can help is through the provision of data. The auto industry has been disconnected from manufacturer to customer for the last 125 years, and now there's a chance to join it all together. That, I think, is going to produce benefits for the manufacturers and the customers at the same time. I think in terms of trends, it's really the rate of change that we're seeing. The industry is, it's a classic industry. It's been around 125 years. Everybody looks to the IT industry. People look at Apple and say it's fantastic, it's the most valuable company in the world. But a car represents the most amazing piece of engineering, and now we're adding an IT and communications component to it, and therefore we're joining the old and the new industries together. We're definitely on a journey to reduce the number of people who get hurt or killed in a vehicle. And I know Volvo, for instance, have a target of zero harm in a Volvo. And that's really exciting, because anybody who's ever lost a friend or anybody who's been in a car accident knows that's not really a nice thing to have happen to you. So we're using technology now to make our lives safer. I think the biggest challenge for car companies is the advent of the connected car, the related fields of highly automated driving. I think what that change does is it brings a car company, which is traditionally a business-to-business enterprise, to the business-to-consumer space. And that is a huge challenge for a car company, because not being in the consumer space, that for years and years has been the province of the dealer. It means that whole relationship with dealers and distribution has to change, and car companies have to onboard skills in dealing with the end consumer. Combination of those two things means massive change, massive challenge for the industry. The way to think about the car of the future is to imagine it as not one car. In order to meet the environmental challenges we have as a global society, in order to meet issues like inner city congestion, what you're going to get is vehicles that are tailored for the purpose they're being used for. We've got used to having a car that does everything. But what you're going to see is different transportation solutions, different car solutions, depending on what you're trying to do. Going on holiday will be one type of vehicle, commuting to the office or navigating around the metropolitan centre, that's going to be something else.